missing today on the proportion basics. The other one has stickers we had before.
Yeah.
Here today on the 9th of July 2023, this is Johanneksentie, Johannes 6, but also it's the site addresses. Tarkkaan poikaan to sculpture the garden. I was at the E50.
But Ocean buttons inside.
Well, there's still 3 rights.
Yeah.
Because it has the original buttons by Otis inside.
Yeah.
Very beautiful also. It's Ulan linna ydingasvuori Helsinki is forced Uusmanian Finland with 6 floors. December is 1801. What could the year be?
I don't know.
Late 1950s?
Yeah, we have to check it later.
And it's going to be expected 2025.
Yeah.
But these 3 verses at all. Sorry. Now, the engine is not original.
Yeah.
6 carbon.
Yeah.
But the engine was changed in the maybe around 1990.
Yeah, so yeah.
Simple memory.
Yeah. So
Needless.
yeah, probably just in 2 euros then, but
Yeah. It's so funny. We had first 2 rights, 3 or 2 rights after all.
yeah.
But it's because you never know what it's worth.
Yeah.
When you don't see or hear everything at first.
Inspected by Inspected and maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
I'll switch on the lights.
Yeah.
That's better. I think I press 1. Let's go, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Oops.
That's